this video, I want to show you how to generate another AI image of yourself using Remini. Okay, now some of you have reached out to me saying that after they selected a particular photo, that they could not use another photo to generate another AI image, and I want to show you how to do that. So once you open your app, you tap on these settings, okay, the settings icon. You click on retrain AI model, because the first set of 8 images that you selected, you used it to train your AI model. So you now click retrain. Okay, it will now ask you, if you select yes, that means that particular one you used, maybe you used your picture the first time, you selected 8 of your pictures. Once you select yes, that you want to delete that model, then it will be wiped out and you have to select another 8 new different picture. This time around it can be that of your friend or your brother or sister. Okay, so you click yes, delete. So at this point you now have to select another photo to go through the process again. Okay, if it is a male, you select male. If it is a female, you select female. Okay, click continue. All right, here you now have to select another 8 uploads. Okay, when you click on it, it will take you to your gallery. All right, so I can select 8 of Mark Zuckerberg's photo. Mind you, this is for educational purposes. Okay, then I'll click on continue. All right, at this point I will have to select the model I want. Okay, let's say I want this model. Okay, use this model. You click on it, your photo is uploading. Okay, it says we are working on your photo for the first time, so it's going to take about 6 minutes, so you just have to wait. Okay, so with this method, while your free trial is still active or you subscribe for 1 week, you can use it to generate several photos. Okay, whether photo of yourself, your brother, your sister, your friend, anybody you want to generate his or her photo, you just have to click on retrain your AI photo and use it to generate another one within your subscription validity or your free trial validity. Okay, all right, can you see we now have a different photo? Okay, the previous one we used this. All right, we used this. Now we have changed it to this. Okay, so when you swipe right, you save. You swipe right, you save. You swipe right, just like that. Okay, all right, if you want to change the model, you click change model. Okay, you can choose a different model. Then remember, if you want to change to a different photo completely, you click on settings, click on retrain AI model. Okay, so that is how to do it. So within your validity period, you can use it to generate as many photos as you want of different people. Okay, photos of your loved ones, your wife, your husband, your sister, your friends, your family members. All right, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on this video.